In the scorching Black Canyon, the Hoover Dam rose from 1931 to 1936, taming the Colorado River. Standing 726 feet, its 4.4 million cubic yards of concrete, cooled by 582 miles of pipes, power 1.3 million homes. Built amid Depression hardship, it cost 96 lives, sparking myths of entombed workers debunked. Boulder City housed workers. World War II Nazi sabotage plots failed. Hidden murals, massive cableways, and epic spillways define it. Now one-third capacity. Lake Mead's receding waters reveal skeletons, fueling ghost tales, while the dam fights to sustain a thirsty Southwest.